Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you this quick and easy chain bun hairstyle. So let's get started. So start by combing your front hair towards the back. And then take a V section from the front to make a poof. Now smooth out your hair using a comb and then start twisting your hair like so. Push it towards the front and secure it with tic-tac pins. So that's how you get a beautiful poof at the front. Now start combing the rest of your hair backwards and hold them into a really high ponytail. Now secure it with an elastic tightly. Now split the ponytail into two equal sections like so, and then take the first section and divide it into two and start making a rope braid. So twist the inner section towards the outer section and cross it under and keep on doing this. And if you don't know how to make a rope braid, I have put the detailed videos link in the description bar below, so you can check it there. So keep on doing the braid till you reach the end and then tie it with an elastic. And make a similar braid of the other section as well. Now start twisting the braids with each other like so. This will give you a beautiful chain braid. Secure the braid and now let's do the bun. Now take the braid and rotate it in clockwise direction. Always tuck the ends under the bun so that they may not show. And then hold it in place the way you like and grab some U-pins and secure the bun in place. So that's how it's done. It's very easy and elegant, so you must give it a try. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye!